Something incredible is happening in space right now. NASA just found a signal from 15,000 light-years away, and it's acting like nothing we've ever seen. It blinks on for 2 minutes every 44, like it's trying to send us a message. And here's the wild part. It's getting stronger, like it's moving closer. This is real, not a movie, and it's got scientists scratching their heads. Stick with us, because we're diving into this cosmic mystery, and trust me, you won't believe what we uncover. Let's go. What NASA found. In 2023, NASA's ESCAP telescope in Australia picked up a strange radio signal from deep space. It's called ESCAP J1932-0911, and it's not your average space noise. This signal pulses for exactly 120 seconds every 44 minutes, like a cosmic heartbeat. Scientists call it a fast radio burst, or FRB, a burst of energy so powerful it outshines entire galaxies for a split second. What makes this one special? Unlike most FRBs that flash once and vanish, this one keeps repeating, and its signal is getting louder over time. That's why some say it feels like it's getting closer. This isn't made up. It's real data from NASA's team, published in scientific journals in 2024. Where's it coming from? The signal comes from a spot 15,000 light-years away, roughly in the direction of our galaxy's outer edge. To put that in perspective, that's 90 quadrillion miles from Earth. NASA used the ESCAP telescope, a giant dish in the Australian outback, to pinpoint its location. The signal source is likely a neutron star, a superdense, collapsed star the size of a city but heavier than our sun. Neutron stars can spin fast and shoot out radio waves like a lighthouse, which might explain the pulsing. But here's the weird part. This signal's pattern is so precise, it's almost like a clock. Scientists are still figuring out why it's so regular and why it's getting stronger. Could it be moving? Nobody knows yet. Why it's a big deal? This signal is a big deal because FRBs are one of space's biggest mysteries. Since the first one was found in 2007, scientists have only detected about 1,000, and most don't repeat. ESCAP J1932-0911 is different. It's been pulsing steadily since its discovery. NASA says it's one of the brightest FRBs ever, and its growing strength suggests something unusual is happening. Is it a neutron star acting weird? A magnetar, which is a supermagnetic neutron star? Or something we haven't even thought of? The signal's energy is so intense, it could power Earth for years in just one burst. This is why the internet is buzzing with excitement. What people are saying. On X, people are going wild over this. Posts with millions of views call it a cosmic SOS or alien beacon. Some even joke it's a spaceship saying, "We're on our way." But let's be clear, there's no proof of aliens here. NASA says it's likely a natural source like a neutron star or magnetar, based on years of FRB research. Still, the signal's perfect timing and growing strength spark curiosity. One X user wrote, "If this isn't a message, why is it so regular?" Another said, "NASA's hiding something." Scientists, though, urge calm. Dr. Emily Petroff, an FRB expert, posted on X that repeating FRBs like this help us learn about the universe, not contact aliens. The hype is real, but we're sticking to facts. Could it be dangerous? Here's a question everyone's asking. Is this signal dangerous? The short answer is no. It's 15,000 light-years away, so even if it's powerful, it's too far to harm us. Radio waves, like the ones in this signal, are just energy, not a weapon. NASA's telescopes are built to catch these signals safely. But the growing strength does raise questions. If the source is moving closer, it could mean a neutron star is shifting in space, which is rare but possible. Scientists are using telescopes like ESCAP and the Meerkat in South Africa to track it. What scientists are doing? NASA and other teams are working hard to crack this mystery. They're using the ESCAP telescope to listen for more pulses and map the signal's exact path. They're also checking data from other telescopes like the Hubble and James Webb to see if anything visible, like a star or galaxy, lines up with the signal. In 2024, a team from the University of Sydney published a paper saying the signal's source might be a neutron star in a binary system, meaning it orbits another star, which could explain the regular pulses. They're also studying why the signal is getting louder. Is it spinning faster? Getting closer? Or just sending more energy? The answers are coming, but it takes time. Why it's so exciting? This signal is blowing up online because it feels like a sci-fi movie coming to life. A mysterious pulse from space getting stronger with perfect timing? It's the stuff of dreams. X posts with hashtags like hashtag NASA signal and hashtag cosmic mystery are racking up millions of views. People love the idea of a message from the stars, even if science says it's probably a natural event. The 2023 UAP hearings, where experts talked about strange objects in the sky, only add fuel to the fire. This signal isn't aliens, at least, not that we know, but it's a real chance to learn about the universe. Every pulse is a clue to what's out there. What's next? NASA's not stopping here. They're planning to use bigger telescopes like the Square Kilometre Array to study this signal more. If it keeps getting stronger, we might learn something huge about neutron stars or even discover a new kind of space object. The signal could also help us map the universe, since FRBs act like cosmic rulers, showing how far light travels. For now, ESCAP J1932-0911 is a reminder that space is full of surprises. It's not just a signal, it's a window into the unknown. This strange signal from 15,000 light-years away has us all wondering, what's out there? Is it a star sending us a cosmic hello, or something we can't even imagine? One thing's for sure, this mystery is just beginning, and we're on the edge of our seats. Hit that like button to keep this space adventure going. Subscribe for more cosmic thrills, and tap the bell to stay in the loop. Got a theory about this signal? Drop it in the comments, we love hearing from you. Stay curious, keep dreaming, and let's explore the stars together. See you in the cosmos.